Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Breaking the Stereotypes. Today we will talk about Cite This For Me. It is free online software for referencing. Here you can reference websites, articles, books, videos, music, blogs and many more things. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to Google Chrome and in search bar we will type for Cite This For Me. Here it is. Click on the first link. So here we have the website. Here you can notice, first of all, we have options of login if we have an account, or create an account if we don't have one. By the way, we can access this website without creating account as well. So here are referencing options like Howard, APA, MLA and more. So let's check out more options. Here we have many options. Let's go for Vancouver. Here in Vancouver style referencing, we have options to cite website, journal, book and some more options. Let's check them out. So here we can also cite blogs, books, broadcast, court case, dictionary entry, dissertation, DVD, video or film, music or recording, magazines and many more. So first of all, we will cite a website. Let's go to Medscape. Here we have an article named Ischemic Stroke. We will copy its URL and paste it here. Search, then cite, then continue. So here are all the tabs are filled already. Now they are asking for author's name if there is any. So yes, here is author's name. So we will copy it from here and we will paste the first name here and the last name there. So we are good to go now. Complete the citation. So here it is. We can copy this reference from here and paste it anywhere we want. It almost saved 15 references for us. Now we can change reference style to Vancouver. Let's try to cite a journal. Click on add new reference, then journal. Now we will go to PubMed to search for an article. Here we go. Let's search randomly. For example, trigeminal neuralgia. Here it is. Click on the first article. We can do it by copying the URL as well as DOI. Let's try with the DOI this time. Copy it from here, then paste. Click on search. Here it's giving us the author names. Let's cross-check the names of authors from the article. Yes, they are same. We can also cross-check the other details like volume, issue. Click on add reference. So here it is. Our reference is here. We can copy it from here and again paste it wherever we want. Citation style is Vancouver. Let's go for citing a book this time. For this we have to search for a book. Let's go to Google Scholar and randomly find any book. Here I'm typing book. Let's see what we get. So here we have many options. Let's select any one. For example, this one. By the way, this book is published in 1976. Let's copy the name here, search. So here we have many options of different years, but this edition is of 1976, and here it is. Both of them are the same. Cite, then continue. Here we have details. It's asking for author names. We can copy it from there, and here we have the reference of book.